Hi, this is Chris Trapani with a Jumpstart Your Real Estate Business update. Today I want to talk about technology. You need to take advantage of all the iPad training that's available, everything that will help you build your business. Now, I've been speaking to some real estate agents who've been telling me, well, my close ratio when I get a listing appointment is about 65%. What I'd like to do is teach you a really simple way of increasing your ratio from 65 to probably 95. Now, you're saying, how can you do that? Well, it's a real simple tool that we as a sponsor of social networks does training on iPad and videos and a lot of tools. Now, let me give you a simple example of iPad training. What would happen? If you learn to use videos on a regular basis, every time you have a listing appointment, you basically go, you take pictures, you make videos of the house, you sit there, there's different softwares, whether it's an iPad, there's an Android software also. Now, you take some pictures, take some videos, and what you're going to do is on the videos, you might be able to say things like, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath house has a fantastic kitchen with beautiful granite countertops, and the tiles are terrazzo tiles, and you give a description of the house and that type of thing. It's a proven fact that people want to see things. Most people are visual. Most people are looking at homes online to begin with. That's where they start. They look at the homes online. And if you have pictures, hey, that's a good thing. But video is really where it's at. They all want to see video. Now what you do is you can blast that out to all of your Facebook friends. Send it out on Facebook. You put it on YouTube. You send it out on Twitter. Every one of your social media sites. It's a fantastic tool. And what happens is you're going to get much, much more interest in the home. Now, let me give you an example of why and how this is important when you're dealing with a listing appointment. Let's say a homeowner decides, hey, I'm going to interview 2 real estate agents and see how they're going to market so I can decide which agent I want to go with. Now, agent number 1 comes in, they ask, what are you going to do? How are you going to sell my house? How are you going to market it? And the first thing that the agent is going to do is he's going to say, well, of course, I'm going to put your house in the MLS. Second thing we're going to do is I'm going to do open houses, and I'm going to put out some flyers in the neighborhood, let people know that it's available, and put a sign in front of your house, all the standard type of things. This is what probably 95% of real estate agents do. Now, agent number 2 comes in, and the seller says, what are you going to do to sell my house? Well, pretty simple. I'm going to do the same thing the other guy does. I'm going to, of course, put your house in the MLS. I'm also going to do open houses and put out flyers in the neighborhood. I'm going to put a sign in front of your house. That's a given. Of course I'm going to do that. Every real estate agent does that. But I'm also going to make videos, and you might want to show them the video you just made or you were in the process of making at the time. I'm going to make a video of your house, and I'm going to blast it out to all my Facebook friends who are realtors, and I'm also going to send this out via YouTube, and we're going to put all kinds of different information, social media, we're going to blast it out. And we're going to have 2 to 3 times as many people interested in this house because of these blasts that we're doing. We're sharing the information everywhere electronically, which is where most people are looking to begin with. So what's going to happen is you're going to get all this extra interest, all these extra offers, probably resulting in a higher sales price. Now, I've had a couple of agents and brokers say, well, we don't have a problem selling houses. That's not at all an issue. We get too many offers as it is. Well, you're probably right. In fact, you're 100% right. But I want you to think about something. That doesn't get you the listing. This video and getting more offers and the promise of that and the tools that come along with it, that will help you get the listing. So the agent is much more likely to get the listing if they teach the seller, we have high technology, here's how we use it, here's what we do, and you could also do all of your real estate forms right in front of the client on an iPad and let the client sign on an iPad, and that reaffirms that you're a high-tech agent, you're going to take technology to the top, you're going to close that house, you're going to sell it, and you're going to sell it for the best price. Hoping you enjoyed this. Hope you use it. If you want to know more about social media technology, iPad training, what you have to do, how it works, call me. My number is 310-350-2546. That's my cell phone. Or you can call the office, 888-890-6087. I promise you, this is a tool you need to have. If you're not doing this a year or two from now, what's going to happen is you're going to be antiquated out of the business. So let's jump on it. We'll help you. We'll teach you. We'll hold your hand. We'll make you successful.